Yeah, first things have a grab. Oh, please be heavy. Damn it. Temp tag. Oh, mystery gift bag. Probably gonna be narcotics. These things are. There you go. Little earrings.
Oh, these are like these little bags Hallie had for her school.
Yeah. Get a couple bucks for these. Here's some Stacey Adams shoes. These ones are pretty nice.
You think that's worth trying?
Nope, I'm not even gonna risk it with them. Sexually harassing you. Is that an LG?
Yeah, worse. I mean,
Oh.
it's scratched.
Look at these things. Jitai. Oh, we got hair. Again. Here's a one with the tag on it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, those are nice.
Yeah. Jordans.
Hopefully we have another pair. Those are still pretty good. Versace?
I wonder if they're real Versace.
What in the fuck?
Normal footwear. I hope those are real. Here's the other Jordan.
Well, luckily we have an expert on this. Jeremiah.
Jordans?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. He might even know something about. I don't know.
Oh, so we got another Ford.
Some expensive jeans.
Are they?
I don't know. I've never heard of them, but
FWRD denim. Oh.
we might just look those up. Just seeing the tag of them. I think something like that might.
I don't know where it's gonna sell. On Facebook probably.
Yeah. Just fabulous.
Hey, there's actually shoes in there.
Yeah.
They look like damn the Betty Crocker cookbooks. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Some of this stuff's like really nice. Like that looks like something from Tina Turner would wear.
That is weird.
I think.
That shit airs out your balls really well if you wear that thing. Another TV, Vizio. What they're missing are the bases so far. Oh, and this one.
There's shoes in this one. Brand new.
Oh, nice.
What size are they?
I understand why you never. Wow.
Right now it's just shoes. But are those Hunter?
Sevens?
Are those Hunter?
I don't know. It says 7.
No.
You almost had a fucking orgasm over here for
If
shoes.
they're Hunter, yeah. And I liked her shoes. I remember what unit we did. Another unit that had a bunch of shoe dazzle. Not this many.
Unopened Christmas presents.
Toilet paper.
Oh yeah. These are just some like leggings. Stuff in there. There's some hard stuff in here too. Cloud pets. Wi-Fi. That actually might be something.
Those are the nasty ones in here.
Tee up ATL. New with tags. Kelly plush. Get well soon. You the bomb.
That's funny.
Kisses. Hello Kitty, that'll sell. Cats might sell. Check. That one looks like it's gonna use a lot. Carolina Panthers hat. That's pretty good. Something to do with the Navy, I think. Official military headwear, Eagle Crest. Well, we know how well that stuff does. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Fashion Nova, brand new hat. I know. Pittsburgh Steelers, snapback. Mitchell and Ness, that's a older one. New York snapback. Snapbacks sell really well. Seen that. Strip club veteran. I love it. Probably just gonna give that to one of our friends. Pugs and kisses. Edible arrangements. Nice Chicago Bulls snapback by Mitchell and Ness. San Francisco's snapback. Another new Fashion Nova hat. Who would have thought? Another shoe dazzle.
Those all jacked up.
Yeah.
The It looks like we have plenty of shoes.
We get one more unit with hair, I'm gonna lose it. I think we have found hair in more units than anything. Shoes are in there. Yeah, but luckily they've been selling really well. There's a block. Diary of a Pothead.
What?
It literally says, listen now, Reese, the Diary of a Pothead. Oh. This is trash. It's all like underwear and socks. There's the charger for the hoverboard. No, it's Track TV. Wait, what? Look just like the one. Well, still hang on to it. An HT Trades bag. Looks like it's a... Yeah, I don't think it has. It's like a clothes traveler thing. It's been used for that. Nice little jacket. Oh. There's a Glock piece of paper. Brand new little candle holder. That'll sell tonight.
Yeah.
Brand new with tags. Brand new with tags. Fashion Nova, who would have thought? Brand new with tags. Shoe Dazzle dress, huh? Old jacket. It's not new though. Oh, that's a purse. And then there's a purse inside of a purse. It's not like we don't have enough purses to sell.
And shoes.
Just fab. And shoes, yeah. Someone shit themselves? I told you there's shit in the unit. I don't think that's shit, but that's trash right there. Okay, got it. It's missing stuff. It's like a headboard. Random. I mean, it's not horribly put together. I know, man.
But when we get home, Cindy's and my sister and be like, look, you want to come shopping?
It's no longer Justin's and Ashley's bargains. It's Justin and Ashley's shoes.
Shoe store.
Alright, this all donate stuff, looks like. Well, this is trash. I mean, these are just junk.
Yeah, these must be all our old
Yeah.
ones.
This is a toss, right? Yeah, these are nice. This is like rabbit fur. Gita?
We sold some of those kind of shoot out.
There's definitely a bunch of duck boots.
Throw away or...
Yeah, let's throw away. Some of these are just too messed up. I don't even know if they all have pairs. So, since we know it's all shoes, let's just load it and then we'll go through them further at the house.
That one's already in here.
Okay. So, we'll just... Here's this other one. It's down here. Probably just throw it in that bin. Donate. Jesus. Fucking saving the rainforest, these things. Jordan. Want some pads?
No.
Oh, okay. These fucking hats, it's actually not bad. You got any money in here? Haha. One of these fucking like Fashion Nova visors. Oh, got a nickel. Ballin'. You're stupid. Why would nobody keep? Oh, some wired headphones though. We are not in the untangling business. All right, guys, we're coming up to 20 minutes in the video. We're meeting our personal limit, so that way you guys can get some good entertainment, some good value. This is the first part of the shoes unit. We have some crazy stuff about to be found in the next video, so just make sure you guys go check it out when it comes out in the next day or two, after we finish editing it. But anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe and like the channel.